Hello, I've got a bit of a different video for you today. I'm in my apartment and I have this big blank wall behind me, and I am going to be hanging up a gallery wall. Currently, I do not have a couch here. It's on the way. I know the dimensions, so I figured why not get started, start hanging it, start making it look a little more homey. Picked up the other frames that I need from IKEA. Went to Home Depot, got supplies to hang up the frames. And I've also ordered the pictures that are going in the frames. So those will be coming shortly. I'm gonna show them in this video though. But let's get started with hanging these pictures. Never hung anything before, but I got a lot of frames to hang. So let's do this. Okay, so I have the tape measure along the baseboard, and I decided I actually don't want to center it in this wall. Kind of want to center it towards like somewhere from here down, because I feel like this is the natural room separation. So this is 124 inches. So I'm gonna go take it halfway, and then I'm gonna calculate how big the entire gallery wall is gonna be, and then start taping it out. We'll see. Okay, so I'm somewhat finished taping and I'm trying to decide if I like it there. I think I do, because I think I want the couch further on the one side. I think it's level. I tried my best, but I mean, it's only the taping part, so hopefully it's pretty straight. Okay, so I'm committing to this, and it's time to start putting nails in the wall and hanging up the frames. Scary. So I've done the best that I can do for now, and I'm gonna have to wait for the couch to come in and the pictures, but I will show more once that happens. So, to the couch. I have a couch. Got it in the mail the other day, built it, so now it's here. It's a little smaller than the original couch I'd ordered, but that's a whole story. I have a couch now, very excited about it. Picked up some pillows, coffee table, and a side table. It's only a few more days till the pictures come in. I don't have anything printed for these smaller ones. These ones here, I need 3 5x7-inch photos. Might get them printed at like Staples or something, or I'll see if there's 3 small 5x7 black and white prints anywhere. I thought I had some, but it turns out they're like 1/2 inch too small on either way, so they won't fit in the matting, which I guess isn't super visible here. But so, funny thing happened. I'm just sitting here on my couch watching TV, little YouTube, drinking my tea, and I get a call from my building to like open the door, and pictures came in. It's a Saturday. I didn't think they delivered on Saturday. Yeah, so let's open these up, put them on the wall. Okay, so before I hang them up, I just wanted to show off the pictures because I'm pretty proud of myself for taking some of these. So first I got some black and white ones to go behind me on this gallery wall, but I also picked up some peel and stick prints to go in my office area to kind of brighten it up. I think those ones are the first ones on the roll because they're in color. Whoa. Oh man. Most of these I took in Peru. I think there's only one that is not from Peru. This is the first one. It's a peel and stick. This is when we saw some ruins, and I don't remember where these ruins were exactly. I'll put the name up, but whew, fun. And this is a peel and stick. It has a matte finish. And from what I can see, the print is a little bit more dull in color. So I think the peel and sticks come out a little bit more muted. Next one. Here's the next peel and stick. This was actually taken somewhere on Machu Picchu. Looks like this. There was like kind of an opening, like a little window, and you could see another building behind it. Yeah. So also that same matte peel and stick paper. 2 more of those. And then I will get to the black and white ones and start hanging them up. Oh goodness. So the next one, I actually took on my Johnston Canyon winter hike walk, which the video's up here. I'll link it whatever side on the cards. And this is a shot of the water that was frozen below. So yeah, same peel and stick. And then last peel and stick one that I got is also in Peru, the Palcoyo Rainbow Mountains. And this was from the hike or trail there. So I think this is one of my favorites, like photos from the trip. I really liked that day and that hike. I thought it was really pretty, so I'm excited to have this to look at when I work every day. Okay, I'm gonna plot these somewhere now. Now for the black and whites. Okay, so a lot of these I printed in glossy paper just because I thought it would kind of accentuate the small details in the photos. So first one is from that Palcoyo Rainbow Mountain hike. And I saw some women standing on a hill. Captured that one. Next, from the salt mines that we saw, don't remember what they were called, Morai or Maras or something. So it's like a picture of one of the salt kind of edges of the pool water. Next one, also from, actually 2 more from that Palcoyo Rainbow Mountain hike. This one I saw a man standing with his llamas. Those 3 were all in glossy paper. This one is in a satin kind of paper. And this is the same man with his llamas and alpacas. Those prints were all 8x10s, and they fit in the medium-sized frames. So these ones. And then for the big frames, there's 2 of them. This one is in a matte paper from Machu Picchu. And the last one is a glossy paper from that same area, the Rainbow Mountain area. when we got off the bus and I saw 2 alpacas walking the bottom. Okay, so I think it is time to hang them up and then figure out what I'm doing with the smaller frames and the 5x7s. So I have 3 more pictures left. Don't know when I will get those in, but once I do, I will finish up this video and show you the completed wall. I am super excited. The last photos have finally arrived. So let's take a look. I ordered a few different options because they were pretty cheap. 5x7s, they should cost less than $1 for sure. So I get to pick which ones are going where. I think I only printed 1 vertical. Here's a vertical one. Here's photo number 2. Photo number 3. So those 3, again from Peru. The last 2 photos I ordered were taken in Ontario, and they were both taken on black and white film, which was like my first roll of film that I'd ever shot. First one here is this boat. This was shot on Ilford HP5 film, and this was taken at Georgian Bay Islands National Park. And this next one, also same roll of film, and it was taken in Muskoka. So I'm not sure if I want to break up the wall, add photos from Ontario, or just keep it fully Peru. We'll see. I'm thinking keeping it fully Peru, but having these Ontario ones in case I want to switch things up. The wall is finally complete. That took a long time, just trying to figure out what prints, editing them, getting them actually printed, hanging up the frames. I'm super happy and excited that this room is a little bit more complete now. Just gonna show off the wall a little more closely. There's some sunlight there. I want to thank you for watching this video. I know it was a bit different than my other ones. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe or comment. That would mean a lot to me. Just wanted to thank you again for watching.